Okay, let's see. What can I use for stop motion today? Didn't notice you there. I know. I don't usually record like me. Uh, you know what I'm saying. When I do exposing and all the English videos and all that stuff, since I'm even Italian, so if I pronounce something a bit wrong, please tell me that in the comments. Oh, okay. Where do I even start? Sophie Rain! You probably know her too well. She's a real weirdo. Like other OnlyFans people I've exposed on my channel. For example, Daisy Bay, Riley May. I'm even planning to expose Camilla Arujo, or whatever her name is. Like, can't pronounce it. But I'll do it only if you like, subscribe, hit the notifications, I guess, if you want, and leave a comment on what do you think about Sophie Rain. If you like her, get out of my fucking channel. So, I don't have an actual clue of where it started, so I'm gonna talk about everything I know. The part of the story I know. If there's more before that, tell me in the comments again. Like, um, where do I start? Oh yeah, the Spider-Man costume video. We all know that, right? But she was popular even before that, doing TikToks to promote her OnlyFans. I hate OnlyFans. Like, you weird. You are you really selling your fucking ass for money? Um, like TikTok, especially here in Italy, is full of little kids. God fucking damn it! One day I walked out of my fucking school and saw a preschooler girl doing a fucking TikTok dance. No, she wasn't even in elementary school. That's crazy. So yeah, you promoting porn to little kids, like very, very young kids. And I guess no, I don't even guess. That is really messed up, girl. So let's get back to the Spider-Man costume thing. People started calling her out because she was really starting to promote porn to kids. And I know all the lies or the all the things she tried to hide it, saying if it's another girl, she didn't make it, blah blah blah. I don't believe it. All the OnlyFans girls say they're Christians, they're virgins. Do you even believe that? Do you think that people who sells their bodies for fucking money are virgins and childs of God and some of the most religious persons in the fucking universe? Of course no. How do you believe it? You're fucking stupid or what? So she started getting so popular, Do you remember the NLA or whatever his name is? The controversy. She catch him texting to Aisha or whatever her name was. She asked to put herself out of the project. She left the rapper. Like then she said something to the little brother Felicia. She got mad at her, and she thinks Aisha should text her because she got mad at her. My dear Sophie Rain, this is not how the word works. Like every single girl on the internet thinks they are the reason the world exists. Thinks they're the center of the universe. No, girl, you are fucking not. You are just a little dot in a fucking planet, in a fucking galaxy, in a fucking universe, in a fucking probably multiverse. Oh yeah, this is the controversy. There's one people who actually lied about not having sex with her, like and not I don't know everything about this situation. I watched some exposings. I did a little research and decided to make this video. Like, yeah. And she actually said she has a good relationships with the parents. How does your parents live with the fact that you sell your body to strangers? Like, I'm not trying to insult everyone, but the dumb or fucking what? Look, you're the only dumb one with your fans, of course. And yeah, well, that's the part of the situation. Then she teamed up with fucking Camilla Abruzzo. Yeah, that bitch. Yeah, the one who got roasted by my glorious King Pankot. Yeah, no, I know. He's obviously not my favorite YouTuber. I have some favorite American YouTubers, favorite Italian YouTubers since I'm Italian. Like, my favorite American one, I think it's Technoblade, Dream, or Stick, one of those. And yeah, you probably know Camila Arusha too. She used her little brother to promote OnlyFans to little kids because it's obvious. The style of her videos, all that, you probably understand that it's meant for little kids. She's promoting fucking porn to little kids too. They are weird. Why does every single OnlyFans girl in existence advertise to children? What? Why are children always the victim? Like they are the victims of sexual abusing by pedophiles. They are the victim of OnlyFansers. They are the victim of content farms that expose them to fucking sexual themes and all that stuff and make their brain rot. They make them dumber. Like, actually, I, I'm I'm literally fucking almost 13 years old, and if me, then I'm a 13-year-old Italian boy that are saying this to you, Camilla Arujo, and all the Sophie Rain and all the other bitches, that you are fucking weird and you should not be doing what you are doing. That says a lot. Bro, like, okay. Every kids of my age have seen porn at least one time. If you search it yourself for curiosity, or because you know what it is and you're just a horny piece of shit who's even too young to know what porn is, it's a bit okay. But if you are a freaking adult who are literally advertising it to a minor, you're telling a minor, you're telling little Timmy to pay to see your fucking titties. Yeah, she got exposed from a lot of people. She does pretty weird stuff. She's good at lying, very good. Like, let's get back to the Camila Russo thing. Like, she teamed up with her, and now they started making some content together, like, sometimes. She was a member of the Bob House, but she announced, like, she told, well, yeah, I'm leaving on summer of this year, but that doesn't change your reputation a lot. And I don't freaking know why she tries to reach out to rappers, to famous rappers. Like, I probably think that is the fact that she obviously knows that most of their audiences is little kids, so she reaches out to them to advertise herself. I don't know, that's speculation. Uh, Other exposers made this speculation. Okay, so how how bad is the Sophie Rain situation right now? Um, it's calm. It's kind of like it's kind of like that. Someone was impersonating her, stealing her content. Like, she's a bitch, but I think stealing other people content is a pretty messed up thing. Like, you are getting money out of things you didn't even create. And yeah. Mm. She got banned because the video stealer sent her copyright claims on TikTok like 20 fucking times and got her banned. I hope it was all a plan to get her out of TikTok. I really hope that. But even though it's not, this guy is, this guy or this girl is doing fucking God's work. He saved a generation. Yeah. He didn't did that much, but it's still a good thing. Good job, man. Now delete all the videos you you have stolen. But yeah, I talked about some things that happened with Camilla. No, not Camilla. Sophie Rain, the controversies and all that. Now it's time for my personal thoughts. It's she's pretty messed up. She's a hoe. Why is she? I I literally said that for the whole video. You are selling your body for money. Aren't you even ashamed of yourself? Don't you feel like a weirdo to promote with when you promote porn to little kids? Don't you feel weird? Don't you feel bad? Don't you feel like, oh yeah, I shouldn't have done this. I I got to change something. Yeah, for now I'm gonna make this quick because I'm fucking dying under this mask. Uh, last thing, I think if you want to promote OnlyFans, you should do it on social medias that are most used by adults. Like obviously there are some minors, some children like everywhere, but at least try to promote it in the place that it's mostly used by adults. If you want to promote your OnlyFans, what the fuck happened to the to your uh, childhood dreams? Yeah, you wanted to become a doctor, astronaut, all that. Pretty good. What? Why didn't you focus on that? Like by now, if you became an astronaut, you will be one of the most well seen people on fucking earth. Nah, I think she was probably trying to avoid the job application. Now, uh, Sophie Rain, if you are seeing this, I'm pretty sad you lost all your dignity. Like, I'm actually that kind of people that wish good for everyone, but nah, I can't do this with you, with Bella the Wolf, with all that people. Now, subscribe, do all that stuff I told you to do earlier. Support me because I'm planning to make my own indie animated series or show or whatever that is. And now, I'm going to take this fucking mask off and going to touch some grass. Goodbye!